welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So as you can tell, I just woke up. It is 7:49 in the morning. I know, too early for me, but I am getting ready to pack my clothes in these little pouches because we leave tomorrow for our I should say vacation. We're gonna go visit my sister because we didn't go visit her on Christmas. So I'm gonna be packing my clothes in these bags that I'm finally gonna be using because I have not used them. So it comes with this big one here, and it comes with a small one, and it comes with this little pouch, and then this large kind of medium one, and this one too, and a small one. And this is charging, where I'm going to be charging when I put in my cables and everything here so there doesn't mix up or anything. So I'm finally going to be using that, and I'm going to be using my wash bag. I'm going to put all my wash stuff in there, and finally be using this one too, that I can put all my styling stuff in here. And I like it because it has a little hook. So first time I'll be using all of those. I have not used it. I haven't traveled. We're just going on a road trip. We're not getting in the plane or anything. And yeah. So I'm basically just gonna start packing some clothes because we leave tomorrow. And I just want to be prepared. I don't want to be hectic, and I need to function because I'm making coffee right now at 7:51 in the morning. My hair, I need to fix my hair. But first I'm gonna pack and everything, and I'm gonna fit stuff here. See if I can fit stuff here. So yeah, come with me. Oh yeah, and I also put my nails, Valentine's nails. So yeah, so let's go. Let's pack together, shall we? Okay, so packing. So I'm going to be packing this jogging suit, purple. It's really warm because it's been raining the past few days. And I just want to wear something warm and comfortable. Also have this pink jumping suit. Or jogging suit. Not jumping suit. Jogging suit. I'm going to just pack these. And I'm going to fix them. I washed them, so they smell really good. Still gotta figure out stuff. So let me take all the clothes that I'm gonna take, and then I'll come back. All right, guys. So here is the pants. I'm gonna try to fit them in there. See if I can. Because they're small and not big. So I got two pants in there. Let me see if I can fit this one. Let me see. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'll figure something out. Okay, guys. So I only could fit the pants in here. So now we're gonna close. So here's one. Here's the pants, the jogging suits. Oh, and I also forgot to show you, I got this at Walmart. It's a duffel bag. It's huge. This is what the inside looks like. So I got one bag. Okay, now for the sweaters. This is the other jogging suit I'm going to take. It's really cute. It has the name BB, and the pants has the name BB as well. So now for the sweaters. Yeah, these bags are not big as I thought they were going to be. I don't think this one fits anything in here. So I guess I'm going to be using these little plastic bags that come with. I don't know what are those for, but this is a big one here. So I guess we'll be putting these in here. So I'm going to be putting the sweaters in here, so I'm guessing those are for that. So I'm gonna try to fit them all in, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so of course the clothes did not fit in here. But I'm just gonna have to put my sweaters in the bag. So we're just gonna have to put them inside here because it didn't work. It only comes with the big one, which I'm super sad because I really thought that these were gonna come with more than like 3 of those, but I guess I didn't. That wasn't the case. So we're just gonna put these jogging suits. And these are my pants I'm gonna be wearing. I think I could fit more pants in here. So we just take like a jean or something. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking some jogging suits. Some jogging suits. Some PJs. So I'm gonna stick these PJs in here. These are PJs. Of course. Really chunky. So take my PJs in here. This is the other jean. And I'm gonna try to fit it in here. Because I think I can fit stuff in here. I didn't put anything in this bag anymore. So hopefully it fits, guys, because I'm pretty scared. It has some pockets in here, so stuff don't fit in here. Then yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, I feel like the jogging suits are taking a lot of space in the pants too. Alright guys, so I fixed everything. So I have here bag of clothes, my jeans. I am going to leave a jogging suit because the jogging suits are too chunky. So I have jeans in here and one jogging suit. Then I have in this bag all my shirts. And in this bag, I have all my underwear, socks, and everything that I need. And in this bag, I have my PJs. So this is where I am right now. And I'm going to take these brown boots and my slippers. And in this bag, I have sweaters that I'm going to be taking. And I'm going to be taking this as well, but I'm going to refill it with shampoo and everything, and I'm going to put it in my wash bag. So I'm going to start putting my stuff in here. Hopefully it fits, and we'll see. Alright guys, so here's my wash bag, and here's the shampoo, the conditioner, and my 3 mouthwash that I got. So I'm going to put it in my little wash bag. And I'll be putting my creams and everything later on because I still need to shower and stuff. So that's going to go in there. I don't think I'll be taking this with me because I can just put everything in there. So I won't be taking this. This I'll be taking with me in another bag. So this is what my bag looks like right now. I am going to try to fit everything in here. I got my shoes, I got sweaters and everything. So, yeah. So we'll see if I can close it. Hopefully I can. So, yeah. But anyways, that's everything. And I'll finish packing tomorrow or later on when I'm finished with everything. So I'll see you guys later. Alright, you guys. So I'm officially done packing. And everything fit perfect. I just had to leave some clothes behind because it was just, I felt like it was just too, the clothes that I was taking, it was too like chunky. So let me show you guys. Okay, so here's the bag. Everything fit perfectly here. Awesome. And then here is my wash bag that I have all my wash things. So I'm gonna carry this and put it maybe in another bag. And I have curling iron that going on. And yeah. So I am done packing. and I'm ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy this packing that I did, and I'm actually happy that we get to travel. Not far, only like 6 hours drive. So yeah, so I'm gonna be vlogging over there as well, see if we do anything cool or not. I don't know yet, but yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and to follow me on social medias down below. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.